الراجل اللي سايق ده شكله يا هربان يا سكران، بس في حاجة واحدة أكيدة، هي إن حضرة الضابط مش هيسيبه لحد ما يعرف إيه اللي وراه. هيحل اللغز، يعني هيحله.
He was weaving back and forth. I could not see ahead of a driver over the seat of the vehicle. Couldn't really tell what was going on.
اللغز كان بيزيد تعقيده كل ما المشبوه يزود في سرعته.
He did not stop at any time while I was following him with my lights and siren or telling him over the PA to stop.
بس اللغز اتحل بسرعة أول ما السواق المجنون وصل لبيتهم، وفجر مفاجأة كبيرة قوي للضابط. السواق الخارج عن القانون طلع ولد عنده 7 سنين.
And when I saw what came out of that vehicle, it floored me. I couldn't believe that the kid was that young. 13 years of law enforcement, I've never seen anything this strange.
بعد ثواني من الذهول حضرة الضابط استوعب الموقف ووصل لحل اللغز.
I eventually got out of him that he did not want to go to church then.
ووصى أهل الولد على علقة سخنة لازم ياكلها، لأن مجرم في السن ده مش هيخاف غير من أبوه وأمه.
His parents grounded him. They took away video games. They took away his computer usage for a period of time.
طبعا بابا دلوقتي ما بينامش إلا ومفتاح العربية تحت المخدة.